Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to verify account on LeetCode. First, open your web browser and go to leetcode.com. Once the page loads, click on Create Account. Now you'll see two options. You can sign up with an email or use your Google, GitHub, or Facebook account. If you choose email, enter your email address, username, and password. Then click Sign Up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Next, click the Verify Your Email link at the top to verify your account. This will take you to the LeetCode profile page. From there, click Confirm next to your email address. LeetCode will then send a confirmation email to your inbox. Once you receive it, open the email and click the verification link inside to confirm your account. After verification, go back to leetcode.com to check your account. And that's it. You now have your LeetCode account ready to use. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.